Imagine a future where your assistant isn't just a voice coming from a speaker, but a walking, talking, and thinking being. That future is closer than you think. Neo, the latest marvel in artificial intelligence, is poised to change everything we know about robots. But what exactly makes Neo so special? Let's find out. Welcome to Feel the Life-Changing, where we explore the transformative power of technology in our lives. Today we're diving into a revolutionary development that's reshaping the world of robotics and AI, the first ever physical robot from 1X Robotics, backed by OpenAI, known as Neo. The birth of Neo, a glimpse into the future. It began with OpenAI's partnership with 1X Technologies, a forward-thinking engineering and robotics firm based in Norway. In March 2020, OpenAI fueled 1X's ambitions with a whopping $23.5 million investment, propelling the company to establish a production line in Dallas, Texas. The purpose? To bring the dream of a bipedal humanoid robot into reality. Neo, the star of this show, is more than just a robot. It's the embodiment of AI, combining safety, balance, and intelligence in a way never seen before. Imagine a robot that can walk beside you, understand your needs, and learn from its environment. That's Neo for you, your future intelligent android assistant. Neo's breakthrough features safety, balance, and intelligence. Safety is paramount in Neo's design. Every unit undergoes rigorous testing in real-world scenarios. Its soft, human-like mechanics ensure it's safe to have around, no sharp edges or hard surfaces to worry about. If you've ever worried about a robot accidentally hurting someone, Neo is here to put those fears to rest. Then there's the balance. Neo is engineered to move with the grace and precision of human muscle movement. It can navigate stairs, open doors, and move around your space naturally. We've seen robots walk before, but Neo takes it to another level. Its movement is refined, smooth, almost eerily human. But it's the intelligence where Neo truly shines. It doesn't just perform tasks, it learns from them, becoming more intelligent and more capable over time. This isn't your standard AI, we're talking about a refined version of GPT-4, the most advanced large language model yet. Neo can understand and respond to you in a way that feels natural, breaking the barriers between human and machine interaction. If you're finding this dive into the future as fascinating as we are, remember to subscribe to Feel the Life-Changing. We bring you the latest and most exciting developments in technology, changing the way we see the world one video at a time. Let's put Neo into perspective by comparing it with existing AI robots. Take Boston Dynamics' Atlas, for instance. Atlas represents a pinnacle in robot agility, capable of backflips and complex movements. However, Neo steps beyond agility into the realm of interaction and adaptability, setting a new benchmark. Unlike its predecessors, Neo isn't just about impressive physical feats. It's about integrating seamlessly into human environments and interactions. The implications of Neo-like robots extend into numerous sectors. In healthcare, imagine robots assisting in surgeries or providing care for the elderly, enhancing both precision and empathy. In education, Neo could offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's needs. For customer service, Neo's ability to understand and interact naturally could revolutionize the way businesses engage with their customers. These scenarios are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential applications of advanced robotics in our society. As we embrace these technological advances, it's crucial to address the ethical implications. The integration of AI robots like Neo into our daily lives raises questions about privacy, job displacement, and the moral status of AI. How do we ensure that these robots are used responsibly and beneficially? These discussions are vital as we move towards a future where human and machine collaboration becomes increasingly intertwined. Picture this. You're running late for work, and Neo is there to help. It prepares your breakfast, manages your schedule, and even reminds you of your important meeting, all while keeping your living space tidy. In another scenario, an elderly person lives alone. Neo is there to assist with household chores, provide companionship, and ensure safety. These real-life applications of Neo demonstrate how AI robots can significantly enhance our daily lives, offering convenience, efficiency, and support. The arrival of Neo marks a turning point in human-AI interaction. It's not just about a robot that can perform tasks. It's about creating a collaborative ecosystem where humans and AI work together to achieve more. This synergy has the potential to enhance our abilities, expand our possibilities, and redefine the way we live and work. If you're fascinated by the intersection of technology and everyday life, Feel the Life-Changing is your go-to source. Our channel is dedicated to exploring these groundbreaking advancements and bringing you the latest in tech innovation. Make sure to subscribe and join our community of forward thinkers. Now, let's talk about Neo's potential impact. With its advanced AI capabilities, Neo can perform a variety of tasks, from industrial roles in security and logistics to more personal tasks like household chores. The possibilities are endless. But it's not just about doing jobs, it's about enhancing our lives, offering companionship, and even assisting individuals with mobility challenges. One of the most intriguing aspects of Neo is its control mechanism, the VR teleop sync mode. Imagine controlling Neo from a distance, just like in sci-fi movies. This technology allows for precise, remote operation, opening up a world of possibilities for interacting with robots. Yet Neo isn't just a remote-controlled machine. It's also autonomous, capable of making decisions and learning independently. This level of autonomy, combined with VR control, creates a robot that's both versatile and incredibly advanced. As we await Neo's official release, it's clear that we're on the brink of a new era in robotics and AI. The collaboration between OpenAI and 1X Robotics has given birth to a creation that might just redefine our interaction with technology. Neo's introduction into the world is not just about a new product. It's a symbol of how far we've come and a preview of where we're heading. With its blend of safety, balance, and intelligence, Neo represents a significant leap in our journey toward integrating AI into our daily lives. Think about the everyday tasks you do. Now imagine a world where a robot like Neo can assist you, not just with mundane chores, but also with tasks requiring nuanced understanding and interaction. This isn't just about having a robotic helper. It's about creating a collaborative partnership between humans and machines. Neo's potential extends far beyond what we've seen in robotics so far. What sets Neo apart is not just its technology, but its approach to problem solving. With its advanced AI brain, Neo can adapt to different environments and tasks, learning as it goes. This means that each Neo gets better over time, adapting to its owner's lifestyle and needs. Neo's physical prowess is also remarkable. With a running speed of 5 miles per hour and the ability to carry up to 44 pounds, it showcases a balance of agility and strength. This makes Neo not just a companion, but a capable assistant in a variety of settings. As we edge closer to Neo's release, it's time to start thinking about how technology like this will change our world. Neo isn't just a robot. It's a window into a future where AI and humans coexist in harmony, enhancing each other's capabilities and experiences. If you're excited about the possibilities that Neo and other AI advancements bring, you're in the right place. Here at Feel the Life-Changing, we're committed to keeping you informed and inspired by the incredible advancements in technology. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more content that opens your eyes to the wonders of the tech world. As we wrap up this journey into the world of Neo, it's clear that we're standing on the brink of a new era. An era where AI is not just a tool but a partner. An era where technology like Neo can change our lives in profound ways. So, if you're as excited as we are about this new frontier, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Feel the Life-Changing for more content that opens your eyes to the future. Together, let's embrace this incredible journey into the world of AI and robotics. Let's feel the life-changing one innovation at a time. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you on our next adventure into the future.